Oh my, a big yawn and a big stretch. Hello, little girl.
I went straight from here to meet Ralph and a couple of friends.
Little girl is at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Oh, she's just been spayed and has recently had kittens. Yeah, that's why that belly is looking like that, huh? You're not too proud of it, are you? You try to hide it. See, I'm such a gorgeous girl. What did you do to me? Yeah, we have to shave you in order to do a spay. No more kittens. Now you can just worry about yourself, little girl. You are very sweet. Yeah, you are. What a doll. You got right up to say hello, and you have been talking a bit. Yes, I keep hearing you talking. So you keep saying meow, 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 meow. Just like the TV ad. Meow, 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 meow. Do you like playing with toys? Huh? Oh, you are a very sweet girl, little girl. Yeah. I saw you kind of doing a happy dance. Could you show us? Could you talk to us? You have a very cute voice. Whoops. Almost fall out. Oh, God, be careful, little girl, yeah? What a sweetie. Hi. Yeah, you do like attention, don't you? Oh, yes, you like to rub right up against me and put all your weight up against me. What a sweetheart. Okay, little girl, I gotta say goodbye. Yeah, I know you're not gonna be happy about that, but I gotta say goodbye, little girl. How about I go get you some food? All right, maybe that'll keep you happy. Be right back, little girl. Where'd you go with my bowl?